guys, it's Unicorn Slime. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead, click the subscribe button down below and also click the notification bell next to that to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, let's see if you guys can do it in 5 seconds. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That was a little quick, but I hope you guys did it. Anyways, today I'm going to show you guys how to make some cloud slime, so let's get started. First off, in your bowl, you can add some PVA glue. Okay, after that, you're going to add some baking soda. I like to add a few pinches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you give that a good stir. Now I'm going to add in some food coloring. You can add any type of food coloring you like, but I'm adding some red food coloring. So now I'm going to add my activator. I'm using contact lens solution over here, but you can use any contact lens solution or borax or laundry starch, whatever you like. And I'm going to just squeeze it in there and activate it. You guys can see it's already pulling from the sides of the bowl, and you're going to keep on activating it. So it's ready. I'm going to just add a little bit of activator, and then I'm going to show you guys what to do next. The slime is completely activated. Not too clicky because I didn't add any lotion or anything. So now I'm going to do the next steps. So first off, we're going to add some instant snow into your little bowl. This circles are real. So after it's open, I hope you guys can do it quicker than that. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of instant snow powder into my bowl. I put some links in the description bar or description box below so that you can check it out, possibly. And now you're going to add some water into it. There we go. So 1, 2. So I've activated the instant snow, and now I'm going to drop the slime in there and I'm going to mix it. So now I'm going to just dump it into the slime again and keep on mixing until it turns better, and I'll be back when it's making more progress. So the slime is ready. I really love it a lot. And I'm not giving you guys too much ASMR in this video. For that, you can check out my Instagram account. It's @unicornslime26. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I love you guys so much. And yeah, subscribe right now. I love you guys. And also, thanks for 80 subscribers. You guys are literally the best. Also, I'm going to quickly mix this up and make an Instagram video. We're going to post it real quick. So go ahead, join me on there tomorrow.